Okay, so I'm going to show you guys my Etsy shop right here, and I'm going to show you how I use the search and what's called Alora. This is a little tool that I use, and I use the free version, but on the right hand side you can see right there how many people are searching or not searching for certain things on Etsy. This is going to help for you to know what's in demand and what is not. Also, keep in mind that you can use Everbee, but I have noticed that using Alora has helped a heck of a lot better for me. This is just going to kind of show you what's trending and what's not trending for these products that maybe you are looking for. This is the dashboard to my Alora right here. So this is going to show you, you can do a paid version. I do the free version, but it's going to break it down and the overview on the different kind of PNGs. As you can see here, it's Halloween. You're also going to be able to see the different SEOs and what's really coming in to be searched and what's not. So you can see here that this is what this person is trying to sell, what it looks like, and you can see on this Alora app, it's pretty popular. But if you come down, you can see ones that are less popular. So depending what you're doing and what you're searching for, this app right here has helped me in my Etsy business a lot. So right here, it's going to show you I have 2 total views and 2 total visits for this month. This day. Keep in mind that I just got my Etsy shop up and going, and I'm actually in the process of revamping it. So what you see right now is not actually what my Etsy shop looks like hardly anymore. I am going to show you guys right here how you can share it to Facebook or Pinterest. This is where you do the save and share button, and it's going to be able to help you so that you are not getting charged as much when somebody comes to your Etsy shop. This is going to save you some money on that, so you can go ahead and share it. This is your Pinterest. You're going to go to the 3 little dots to the right. You're going to click on that and hit edit pin. This is where you're going to want to put a title on here or edit the description, whatever it is that you might want, but leave the website alone because that's going to take them to your Etsy website. You can go ahead and fill out any information you want here, but once you are done editing everything, leaving the website alone, remember that. You're going to want to go ahead and click that save button. So people from your Pinterest and from your Facebook, if they click on this, it's going to bring them into your Etsy shop, and it's going to really help you because it's going to get people getting eyes on your shop. But then again, if people come through and they decide to buy your product off that save and share that you did off of your Etsy, it's going to help you save some money. So here you can see the different views, the different clicks, all of it. It's going to show you. I have a business account, as you can see, on Pinterest. So you're definitely going to want to get a Pinterest and a Facebook that is connected, that is for your business that you're going to be doing. I do digital and I do physical items on my Etsy. I'm going to tell you right now, a lot of my digital products are selling much better than my physical. I have sold more stickers than I have daily planners, even as far as my physical things go. You really want to do your research into your Etsy. And I know that we talked about Etsy before, but I told you guys I would show you the back end of my Etsy, and that's exactly what I'm doing here. It's just kind of showing you exactly what you can do here. You can see in the right hand side there was the A that's blue, and that is what's going to be the Alora app, and it's going to help you. You really want to set a banner that's going to count. And right here, I do believe that I'm changing my banner to show you guys how I'm making it look a little better. You want your banner to represent who you are and what you're selling and your shop. I did use ChatGPT to help me make this banner right here. I really like it. I'm using it across Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram, and now my Etsy shop. All of my stuff kind of goes together, and I want people to know my brand. And so when I do these kind of things, I'm going to update them and I'm going to use them. So here I'm just updating my logo. Like we talked about, it is important that you pick your banner and you pick your logo like we talked about, but don't spend a whole lot of time on that. Just get it on there, make it look cute. It's going to be your listings and your it's going to be your SEOs that you're going to really want to get checked out. The SEOs and your tags are really what's going to get you shown, and you can use the Allura app for this also. I really suggest having a banner and featured products, and right here is where you can pick and choose your featured products, remove them or add them. Whatever you choose is going to be best for you. Your featured products are what's going to be shown on your site at all times. You can pick and choose, you can move these around, and you can change them up, but they're going to be what's going to be shown at the very top of your Etsy website every single time. You want to make sure that when you are doing this, like I said, you're doing your research. So you can see here, I've not had any clicks or anything going on this listing right here. After about 3 months of no clicks, no nothing on a listing, I'm going to delete it because it's really pointless for me to keep a listing and paying for it if it's really not going anywhere. So what's going to end up happening is I will replace it with something that might be trending or doing a little better. A lot of people, when they are doing Etsy, do not look into the research, and this tool right here is going to help you. I get no kickback from telling you guys to use Allura. I do use the free, but really once I can afford to use the paid version, I absolutely will, because if you look, the paid version gives you so many more things and would help a ton. Now, I've used this versus Everbee, and I'm going to tell you that I like this better than Everbee, and I feel like it's because it's more friendlier used to be able to see what I need. I also feel like it offers a lot more than Everbee. I just personally like it so much more. But definitely find a tool that's going to help you with your Etsy shop, because your Etsy shop is not going to grow and you're not going to see sales unless you are researching some sort of way and seeing what listings are selling and what listings are not, what listings are getting clicks and what listings are not. You can do all different things within your Etsy shop, as you can see here as I am showing you. But you need to keep in mind that you really need to make sure that your listings are really what's falling into place. And here's the thing, your listings are the most important thing, because that is what's going to sell somebody on it. That is why they say do a video. If it is a physical product, I 100% say to do a video, and here's why. The reason I'm telling you to do a video is because then people can see exactly what the product is and what they can expect when they get it. Without having a good photo and even a video of what a physical product is, it could be a make or break for as far as a sale goes on your Etsy. So please make sure that what you're doing is going to be able to sell to the people that you are trying to send this listing to. Because if they do not have trust with you, they've never bought from you, they don't know that, hey, this is what I should be doing. They don't know that it's safe. They don't know that the product that is coming to them is a good product. So you want to make sure that they know that they can trust you. And then once they get that product, even asking for a review would be amazing. Having your reviews is going to be a big deal, because once you have reviews on your listing, people can go back and read those reviews. A lot of people are going to read reviews and they're going to want to know, okay, is this seller a good seller? Especially when you're new, it's super hard. So you want to make sure that you're building that trust. And the only way that you can do that is through your listings. So your pictures, your videos, those kind of things. Now, if it's digital, you're not going to be able to do a video, honestly. But you want to make sure that you do enough mock-ups, and you can use Claude or ChatGPT or Canva or any of those things to build your different listings within your Etsy shop. So just making sure that you are getting whatever it is that you need to be able to show the product that you are featuring within your listings, and letting them know, hey, this is what this digital listing is. You also want to let them know in the description that this is a digital listing, listing, whether it's for sublimation, DTF, whatever it is that you have created it for, scrapbooking, and it might be for all of those things, but just letting them know they're not going to receive a physical product and that it is a digital product. And once it is downloaded, there is no refunds. Making sure people understand that and they know. Also, making sure that your product that you have is definitely high quality. So when somebody does download this and they need to use it for a sweatshirt or a hat or whatever they might be using it for, they're not coming back to you later and saying, hey, so it's not a good quality. Could you please up the quality on this so that I can actually use it? It is 300 PSI, I believe is what it's called, is what's going to be best. So in Canva, anything over 2 is what you're looking for as a PNG. I kind of hope that helps. Okay, so I just wanted you guys to kind of see what I'm using to kind of look at my stats and how I'm doing the research on my Etsy shop and how I'm getting, I know it shows 2 views and 2 visits, so it's not great. One of the reasons for that being is the fact that I did have a issue with my billing. I did not update my card onto my Etsy when I had to replace my bank card. When you do that, it crashes your views. So don't do that. But I really hope this helps you guys kind of figure out what you're looking for when you're looking for your stats of your Etsy shop. If you've not watched my video before this, please go back and make sure that you watch that. It's going to give you a little bit more in depth on how to make money from home using Etsy. Next, we're going to talk about more of in depth with our Pinterest and maybe even Facebook. I'm really going to dive into social media, but I'm telling you right now, Etsy is what I'm really concentrating on and how I'm using it. And I'm using it with Pinterest and Facebook. So let's just kind of dive into that, and I will give you guys more tips and tricks on how to make money from home. So if that is something you're interested in, please go ahead and give this channel a subscribe. And if you don't mind giving a thumbs up on this video, if you learned anything, you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you guys for stopping by. Bye-bye.